Imagine this. You're sitting on a machine that feels like it was forged in the fires of pure adrenaline. The engine growls to life, a deep, thunderous roar that sends vibrations through your entire body. You twist the throttle, and in an instant, you're catapulted forward with a force that feels like it's bending the laws of physics. This isn't just a motorcycle, this is the Suzuki Hayabusa, a machine that redefines what it means to ride on the edge. If motorcycles had a personality, the Hayabusa would be the fearless daredevil, the one that thrives on speed, power, and precision. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement that says you don't just ride, you dominate the road. The Suzuki Hayabusa isn't just a sport bike, it's a legend. Since its debut in 1999, it has been the benchmark for speed and performance, earning its place as one of the most iconic motorcycles in history. It's the vehicle of choice for riders who refuse to compromise, those who want the thrill of a hyperbike without sacrificing the engineering brilliance and reliability that Suzuki is known for. But what makes the Hayabusa so special? Let's take a closer look, because this isn't just a motorcycle, it's a masterpiece of speed, design, and innovation. First, let's bust some myths, because there are plenty of misconceptions about hyperbikes in general. Myth number 1. Hyperbikes are only for professional racers. Wrong. The Hayabusa is proof that extreme performance can be accessible to any rider who dares to take the handlebars. With its advanced electronics and rider aids, it's a bike that's as user-friendly as it is powerful. Myth number 2. Hyperbikes are uncomfortable and impractical. Think again. The Hayabusa features a surprisingly comfortable riding position, with a well-padded seat and ergonomics that make it suitable for longer rides. And myth number 3. Hyperbikes are all about straight-line speed, not handling. Not the Hayabusa. With its advanced chassis, suspension, and aerodynamics, it's a bike that excels on twisty roads as much as it does on the drag strip. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a versatile, high-performance machine. Now, let's talk about some amazing facts that will make you fall in love with the Hayabusa even more. Did you know that the Hayabusa is powered by a 1,340cc inline-4 engine that produces a jaw-dropping 197 horsepower and 114 pound-feet of torque? That's enough power to launch this beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds and reach a top speed of 186 miles per hour, electronically limited. It's not just fast, it's mind-blowingly fast. To put that into perspective, the Hayabusa can out-accelerate most supercars, and it does it with the agility and precision of a true sport bike. And here's another jaw-dropping fact. The Hayabusa's name, which means peregrine falcon in Japanese, was inspired by the bird's incredible speed and hunting prowess. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a predator on two wheels. But the Hayabusa isn't just about raw power, it's also about precision. The bike features a twin-spar aluminum frame that provides exceptional rigidity and handling, while the fully adjustable suspension ensures that you can fine-tune the ride to suit your style and the road conditions. The Brembo brakes offer incredible stopping power, giving you the confidence to push the limits. And with its advanced electronics package, including traction control, launch control, and ride-by-wire throttle, the Hayabusa is as much about finesse as it is about brute force. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a technological marvel. Think about the last time you saw a motorcycle that made your heart race. The Hayabusa is here to bring that feeling to life. With its aggressive styling, aerodynamic design, and iconic silhouette, it's a bike that demands attention wherever it goes. The design isn't just for show. Every curve, every vent, every detail is there to enhance performance. The dual LED headlights aren't just a styling cue, they're there to provide exceptional visibility, even at high speeds. The wind tunnel-tested fairings aren't just for looks, they're there to reduce drag and improve stability. Even the 4x2x-1 exhaust system is specially designed to optimize airflow and deliver that signature Hayabusa growl. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a work of art. Now, let's talk about performance, because the Hayabusa isn't just about looking good, it's about delivering a riding experience that's as thrilling as it is unforgettable. The Hayabusa is designed to dominate on both the road and the track, with features like launch control, quick shifter, and multiple riding modes. The launch control system ensures that you get the perfect start every time, with maximum acceleration and minimal wheel spin. The quick shifter allows you to change gears without using the clutch, making it easier to maintain speed and control. And the riding modes let you customize the bike's performance to suit your style and the conditions of the road or track. It's a bike that's built to push limits, whether you're on a straightaway or tackling a tight corner. But what really sets the Hayabusa apart is its legacy. For over 2 decades, it has been the king of speed, the bike that every other hyperbike is measured against. It's a motorcycle that represents the pinnacle of Suzuki's engineering and design, a vehicle that proves that speed and precision can coexist in perfect harmony. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of what's possible when you refuse to compromise. So, what does the Suzuki Hayabusa mean for you? It's a reminder that you don't have to settle. You can have speed and precision, power and control, adrenaline and artistry. It's a call to embrace a lifestyle that's as bold and daring as you are. It's a motorcycle that doesn't just take you places, it takes you on a journey. Whether you're tearing up the track, cruising down the highway, or turning heads at a bike meet, the Hayabusa is a bike that makes every moment unforgettable. But before you hit the road, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of riders who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of speed, and the beauty of iconic design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most legendary vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in motorcycle technology. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. The Suzuki Hayabusa isn't just a motorcycle, it's a dream. A dream that says you can have it all: speed, precision, and passion. It's a motorcycle that doesn't just push limits, it shatters them. So, are you ready to experience the thrill of the Hayabusa? Because this isn't just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.